While working here at SPC, we have had a long history of helping building owners and property managers with concrete restoration.
Due to the seismic movement that exists, parking structures, foundations, buildings are always in a state of movement, and this creates hairline cracks throughout the building.
Many times their current waterproofing coating or drainage system will fail, and that's when concrete will crack, and this will provide an opportunity for water to penetrate.
Our teams are experienced in being able to address these areas, whether you have a situation where concrete is popped and rebar is exposed. Our teams are able to come in and demolish the areas that are affected.
We install a two-component structural strength cementation and make sure it's level to the existing surface of the concrete that's there. Once that's done, we make sure that it's a long-lasting patch that can give the building owner many, many years of service.
We look forward to being able to service you. Please contact us at any of our email, phone number listed below.